Meet Michael and Julia. They both work for the same company in engineering department. They constantly hear about digital transformation and a lot of new concepts like blockchain, artificial intelligence, additive manufacturing, quantum computing, and they are trying to understand how Industry 4.0 can transform their company, and mostly themselves. Both just started using Drive to enhance their knowledge about digital future to become future ready. Since Julia is technical engineer and Michael is head of engineering, how does their journey compare between each other inside Drive? Wait until we tell you their stories. Let's start with Julia. Julia uses Drive because she wants to learn new digital knowledge and methods of artificial intelligence in engineering. She started with Drive Fundamentals, where she gained awareness and learned about Industry 4.0 topics. By understanding that in 4.0 era, being in a community is more important than few hours of learning, Julia started actively participating in webinars, discussion forums and various community challenges to improve her understanding and stay updated. After being able to understand the fundamentals, Julia progressed to Drive Advanced level, where she not only gained knowledge about her future Engineering 4.0 scenario, but also selected one of the business characters to go through a detailed skill development blended learning course to make her future ready. Julia has chosen the Digital Enhanced Engineering module, selecting Artificial Intelligence Engineer business character, so she could apply the knowledge gained to her work and enhance the way she's doing things on her daily basis, increasing efficiency and opening new methods in engineering. Learning the use cases and business characters led Julia to gain access to the Drive community, where she interacts with other Drive users, exchanging knowledge and meeting new and relevant personas. Now Julia is fully ready to embrace 4.0 future. And what about Michael? Being a manager, Michael doesn't have so much time to spend on a complex and extensive courses, but he doesn't really need to. He wants to understand how his team can be 4.0 ready and how his company can improve with 4.0 technologies. He took Drive 4 business level, designed specially for managers and for people like Michael, who intends to be aware of what the digital future has to offer to their business. Michael learned about Drive, digital leadership principles, business cases and lot of Industry 4.0 use cases. What's next? Michael gained access to Drive community, where he can interact with other managers and relevant personas using Drive in discussion forums, exchange his experience with other managers and even participate in challenges and having fun playing community-wide inspiration games. Wait, is that Julia? Hello Julia, we have a lot to discuss. Michael and Julia learned from each other and the whole Drive community on how their work can change with 4.0 technologies, by participating in forums, discussion boards and even started to contribute to a community by creating microlearnings, sharing their experience with others. But journey didn't end there, both discovered Drive Plus for learning more specific skills applied for their concrete needs, by getting further digital trainings required and build competencies with on-the-job experience. This is what we call a real success case. What about you? What's your journey?